From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm student meteorologist Matthew Carlson with your Wednesday morning forecast. Taking a live look outside at some live cams around the Commonwealth, we can see here at Penn State, Beaver Stadium has a beautiful sunrise over the athletic complex here. Up to our northeast, Williamsport, we see pretty overcast skies but no precipitation. Down to our southwest, we see Pittsburgh, a beautiful sunrise over the big skyline there. But up to our northwest, we see Erie has a pretty good amount of lake effect snow sitting on the ground. That'll be a common trend you see for this upcoming week. Looking at today's current conditions, here from the live cam at Beaver Stadium with that beautiful sunrise, we're seeing a little chilly start to the day, around 18 degrees. The feel like is 11, very similar to the past few days. The dew point is 9 degrees with that perfect visibility at 10 miles. Wind is sitting around 5 miles per hour, but as you can see, the temperature and feel like are still chilly around the rest of the Commonwealth. Especially taking a look up at Erie this morning, the temperature's 20 degrees, but the feel like is 7. Elsewhere around the Commonwealth, you can see single-digit numbers like in Johnstown and Pittsburgh, Du Bois, Franklin, Bradford. Much of the western portion of the state is feeling a real chilly morning this morning. Looking at future weather, specifically winds, we can see that it's going to be quite a windy week this week, leading to those really chilly feel-like conditions. Got to be careful out there. Erie, 29 miles per hour around noon today. State College around 17. We see Philly is around 11. Looking to this evening, 35 miles per hour for Erie. Into tomorrow morning, we see much of the same for western Pennsylvania. Only really around the Appalachian Mountains do we see this wind break up tomorrow morning, but this is what's leading to those really chilly feel-like conditions that we're going to experience the next few days. Finally, Friday morning, we're seeing it's Erie, still around 26 miles per hour. Looking around that lake region in the northwest, it's going to be really cold. Looking at the current radar, no precipitation in the Pennsylvania area, but looking up to our north, we see Michigan, Toronto. The Great Lakes region is seeing some lake effect snow this morning, which will also continue for the rest of the week. Future weather, we see some cloud cover today with a little bit of snow flurries possibly popping up around the middle of Pennsylvania, leading to this evening. Tomorrow, we see partly cloudy skies, but come Thursday night, tomorrow night, we see a little bit of rain creep into that western Pennsylvania, eastern Ohio. Come early Friday morning and all day Friday, we see that little bit of precipitation lead into a quite overlapping rain system with a little bit of snow possibly in the north region. Looking to the eastern seaboard, we can see cloud cover on the west part of the Appalachian Mountains, also in West Virginia and Ohio. But advancing throughout until tomorrow and Friday, we see that low pressure system moving up to the north, coming eastward, which is what we'll be seeing most of the day Friday and a little bit of the day Saturday. Including in this is some cold temperatures and lake effect snow coming off of Lake Erie to the northwest and north central part of the Commonwealth. And then finally, Friday night, you can see this kind of dissipates and it's just going to be overcast skies for part of the weekend. Looking at our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we see that Pennsylvania is below temperature this week, yet there is a ridge over the Central Plains and Rockies, leading to some above average temperatures coming our way later this week. Today in State College, 34 degrees, partly cloudy, with winds southwest around 10 miles per hour. Tonight, we see conditions are around 27 degrees, another chilly evening with mostly cloudy skies and winds around 6 to 8 miles per hour coming out of the southwest. We can see for tomorrow, sunny with a few passing clouds and temperatures around 47 degrees with winds southwest around 6 to 10 miles per hour. Looking at our 7-day forecast, we can see Wednesday and Thursday tomorrow, our temperatures are rising. Clouds are going to start dissipating, but come early Friday morning, we see showers creep in with a high of 43. Friday night, we see a low of 37, and showers are going to continue most of the day Saturday with a high of 48 degrees. Come Sunday, we see that rain dissipate for a day, leading to mostly cloudy skies, a high of 47, and a low of 40 overnight. Come Monday, we see scattered showers come back into the Pennsylvania area with a high of 47. But come Tuesday, a low of 33 overnight and a high of 44 during the day. The rain should be leaving the Pennsylvania area. Thank you. This is your Wednesday morning forecast. I'm student meteorologist Matthew Carlson from the Penn State Campus Weather Service.